Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can record phone calls on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, swipe down the control center, and right from there you can see this record icon. Go ahead, long press on it, and now you simply have to make sure that a microphone is on, because by default it will be off. You have to simply tap on it and make sure it's on. Tap on this start recording, and you can simply start to start recording, and you have to simply make sure that the microphone is on, and you can start a call of yours and you can record that on your phone. It will be saved as well. You can do that as many times as you want and you are good to go. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.